Climate breakdown and the mass felling of trees has the world's forest significantly shorter and younger overall. The analysts of more than 150 previous studies found that death rates of trees has increased, doubling in North America and significantly increasing in Amazon. The impact of forest destruction had cut the area of old-growth forest by a third since the 1900s. The research, published in the Journal of Science and including analysis of satellite data on land, estimated that human falling of trees had cut total forest areas by 12% since the 1900s. The proportion of old-growth forest more than 140 years old fell from 89% to 66% in that time. Lack of data meant that the researchers were not able to make a precise estimate of how much shorter. The second topic, studying patterns of wave-like ridges on the Antarctic seafloor, scientists from the Scott Polar Research Institute at the University of Cambridge found that 12,000 years ago, ice retreated at a speeds of 10 kilometers or 6.2 miles a year, far more rapidly than today's retreating rates, which were calculated using satellite data. Researchers warn that should climate change carry on, weakening ice shelves in coming decades, we could see a similar level of ice retreat, more than what were thought before, with huge implications on global sea levels. Cicadas, not seen since 2003, is expected to emerge this year in parts of the United States, farmers being told to plan accordingly as the insects pose a threat to fruit and ornamental crops. Still in the immature form, these bugs have spent 17 years underground where they feed on the roots of trees, but the time has come for them to breathe and renew the cycle in a test that will require immature cicadas to leave their comfy homes, transform into adults, and find a mate. And that's where their iconic buzzing sound comes in, as males attempt to woo a partner with their impressively loud, high-pitched drones. On to the mini-topics. When Chinese officials in the city of Wuhan discovered a cluster of 6 COVID-19 cases around 2 weeks ago, the first cases more than a month ago, they quickly set an ambitious plan to test the entire city of roughly 11 million people and crush the potential of a second wave of infection. 10 days out, they nearly met the goal. Wuhan Health Commission swabbed more than 9 million residents and tested more than 6.5 million of those swabs for coronavirus genetic material between May 15th and May 24th. On the last topic, the fourth prototype of a SpaceX next-generation Starship rocket exploded Friday after a test at the company's development facility at Texas. The company was conducting a trial of the rocket's engine in a test on the ground known as a static fire. A few minutes after the test, which initially appeared successful, the Starship prototype, identified as serial number 4, ruptured in a fiery explosion.